There we go.
Here we go.
Look at, see it?
Let go. Look below, pink.
Mm-hmm. What'd they say?
10, 9, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go.
Shh. Trying to hear the police call.
Oh, wow. It did? Oh!
No, it can't stop, so it's all gone.
This is nice display.
That's all right, you come here.
Oh, man.
Get the hose turned on.
Is that all of them?
I really thought I heard our
Hey, I love that one.
Did you? I really.
Wow.
Well, after that, you probably did.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
Really?
oh, those are pretty. Wow. Now what? Get the hose. It's the mother mango.
Put the little ones.
Hey, I love that one.
Oh, those are pretty.
The fountains are legal.
Wow, those are pretty.
That ain't though.
Isn't that cool, Breeze? Yeah. There's the water fountain one.
Where?
Those are okay. Those are legal. We can like those.
That's all we have.
Yeah. Get the hose fast.
See, some of them are over here. Guys, get the hose.
Oh, here.
Here comes some more.
What's that crayon thing?
This is like I'm going to stay overnight.
Look at those. Look at that.
Yeah. Those are even bigger.
Yeah, they are big.
Looks like we're running out.
Almost. Oh, yeah? I think we're done after these ones. Those little rocket heads. That's what all those
things are.
Pine Crest Trail.
I got the feeling it's over.
Alright. Yeah.
Now we just
Well, if the cops don't come now.